Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking core prerequisites: free disk space, a charged battery or plugged-in laptop, and a current system restore point. First, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC and sort by CPU and disk to spot runaway processes. This shows what causes the hang. Once you identify a heavy process, right-click and choose End Task to free resources. Make sure to note the process name, because you'll research whether it's safe to disable or uninstall later to prevent repeat hangs. Also run Windows Update check before proceeding further. Next, tackle drivers and system integrity. You'll update graphics and chipset drivers via Device Manager or vendor installers because outdated drivers often freeze UI. Then open an elevated command prompt. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if problems persist. These commands repair system images and dependencies. Once done, configure a clean boot using msconfig. Disable non-Microsoft services and startup items to isolate software conflicts, and reboot to test whether hanging disappears. If it still hangs, note any error codes shown. Finally, restore stability and preserve data. If hangs continue, roll back recent updates or drivers first. Use System Restore to revert to a known good point. For stubborn cases, perform an in-place repair install using the Windows 10 installation media, which keeps files while reinstalling system files. Also run a quick SSD/HDD health check with Crystal Disk Info and test RAM with memtest86 to rule out hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, boot into safe mode and capture error log.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.